you relative, I don't know what these relatives have. कहीं ना कहीं यार कुछ भी करो ना देख ही लेते.
Yeah.
उनको हर कुछ देखना होता है.
Yeah, they have
It's like
always eyes
and
on
immediately
us. Yeah, have we?
what is the need to call your father?
Yeah, why
अपना ये बंद नहीं रख
he
सकते.
met me
Why
only
is the need?
one time? How did he know me? How did he remember my face? I don't remember his face. I don't remember his name also.
Hello.
Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good
Hi,
afternoon. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the first time we are meeting, right?
Yes.
First time.
Yeah.
So let me introduce myself. I'm Rina, and I'm going to be a speaker and guide on Clapingo today.
Okay.
I'm a spoken English and a spoken Hindi coach, a communication and soft skills trainer, and a communication fitness coach as well. I'm a Gujarati, born and brought up in Calcutta, West Bengal. That's about me. May I know something
Okay.
about you?
Hello, Rina. My name is Sonia Sharma. I am from Rajasthan. Right now, I am living in Kathmandu, Nepal.
Okay, you're
So
from
I am a
Rajasthan?
homemaker. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
you're
here
a
to
home.
learn English.
Okay. So you are settled in Kathmandu, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you're here to learn English, and you're a homemaker.
Yeah.
Okay, so in future, would you like to start working? Would you like to do anything of your own?
Yes. I want
Okay.
to.
You want to.
Mm.
Anything do you have in your mind?
No, right now I don't have any plan because of my son. I don't want to work for at least 1 year. So
Okay.
I'll think about it after some time.
Okay.
I
Right.
love to dance, so I will think about dance classes and all.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course you can do that. Yes, why not? So you have a 1-year-old son.
No, he's 6 year old.
He's
I will
6 years
think
old.
about my working
After a year. Yes, of course.
after a year. Yeah.
Okay, so I now came to know about one of your hobbies that you love dancing. Apart
Yeah.
from that, anything else do you like?
Yeah, I like to talk to everyone in English and,
Yeah.
with interact new people.
Yes.
Yeah, communications and learn new things about
Okay.
everything. Yeah, anything new.
Okay, so you like learning new things.
Yes.
That is really good to know. And you like dancing. So have you learned dancing, or you do it just because it's your passion? Have you learned
It's
dancing?
my passion, and I learned some steps on YouTube only. I
YouTube.
didn't
Okay.
join any class and all. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you like if there are any occasions or anything you dance.
Yeah, I love to dance. Yeah, I always dance.
Have you ever tried choreographing any dance? Because nowadays
Yeah, in
today's
some
function,
wedding functions and
yes,
all,
wedding
Sangeet
functions,
function.
Sunday
Yeah,
functions. Okay.
I've tried to teach
Yes.
someone.
So in future you can do this, right? You can start
Yeah,
something like this.
yeah, I'm
That's
thinking of.
that's really good to know. That's really good to know. Okay, so have you gone through today's session topic?
It's. Sorry, I
It
can't recall it.
it is like what if you could stop time?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Would you like talking about that, or you want to talk about something else?
Anything. I can talk about this also.
You can talk about this also.
Sometimes I want to stop time.
You want to stop time. Okay. And when does that happen that you want to stop time?
I set 2 alarms for morning. Like one
Okay.
is at 5:30 and one is for 5:45. So
Okay.
I will wake up at 5:30 and then I will stop the time and I can go sleep again.
And you want that time to stop,
Yeah,
especially during the winter, right?
very much.
It happens, because I have my what I do that in the morning I take 1 hour sessions, like 7 to 8 I take my sessions. So
Okay.
today morning I woke up at 5 because I wake up and then I drink some water and then I go for a walk. I come back, I meditate for some time and then I start my class. Today I woke up at 5 And then I felt I don't want to do anything. I went off to sleep again. And when I woke up now, it was 6:50. My session started
Oh
7.
my God.
It was
It
no, sorry, not
happened with
6:50. No,
me
no, no,
also.
sorry. It was 6:41. Sorry. And then
Oh,
I
okay.
thought, oh, it's just 6:41. No, I'll sleep for 10 more minutes. And yes, and then when I woke up, sorry, yeah, it was 6:59. Just 1 minute to go.
Oh God.
Just 1 minute to go, and I just grabbed the top and I put it on my nightie and I joined the session.
Yeah, it happened with me too. My son goes to school at 7:30, and one day I woke up at 7 o'clock. I was like, oh
Yes,
God, what should I do now? I have to
yes.
wake him up and do everything, make him ready. Yeah, that's why I always set 2 or 3 alarms so I can wake up
True,
at time.
very true. And during winters, it's like I tell you, you just don't feel like getting up. Today
Yeah.
I just like it was like 6:59. I didn't do. I just like brushed my hair. I nothing, and I just pulled it top over my nightie.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
But something, it's actually a very big advantage of working from home, that we just
Yeah,
have to worry about what we are wearing on the top, like
right.
underneath. Maybe
Absolutely.
we are wearing shorts or pajamas, or it could be a capri, it could be anything.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. All of us do the same thing. Even people working, with corporate offices, they do the same thing.
Yeah. Even my husband did this in lockdown.
Yeah,
Whenever he has a Zoom meeting, he just wear a shirt. That's it. Okay.
shirt and tie. Niche anything, pajamas,
Ah, yeah,
shorts,
anything, shorts, pajama.
even the children did that. I have this, actually, I call her my friend only. She is much younger to me. She is just in class 12.
Okay.
Same thing on pajamas. She would be wearing a shirt and tie, and she would be doing her online classes.
Yeah.
Her window is just, in the adjacent building. So, we just talk over the window.
Wow, it's great.
Yeah. So this is like, so I was saved. Otherwise, it would have been a problem.
Yeah,
I
right.
just about joined on time.
So yeah, that's why I want to stop the time. I want to
Yes.
sleep for 9 or
Even
10
every
hours.
morning I want to stop time, because early morning sleep is like it's so
Heaven.
good, no?
Yeah.
And what we feel is that I get up and somebody just gives me bed tea. I don't even want to go out of the blanket.
Yeah. But
Right?
there is no one.
I know. I know.
Yeah, that's why I want to go to my mama's house after 3 or 4 months. I can, but I want to, so I can have a tea,
Hmm.
bed tea or
Yes,
something like that. Yeah.
true. I agree. We all we all want to do that sometimes. We all want to do. At times, I just feel like checking into a hotel for 2 days, so that I don't have to do anything. I don't have to worry about the doodhwala or in the morning chores, or like I have to do this,
Nothing.
I have to do that. Yeah. At times, I
I
just
will
feel that.
tell you, last
Yeah.
year, me and my husband went to Jaipur for two
Okay.
or 3 months. So I woke up at 10 o'clock or 10:30, 11, and he was like, what are you doing?
Jaipur is, it's your mom's place.
No, no. We went for consultation for doctor.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay.
so we
Yeah, and so you were
hotel.
like,
So I
okay,
was like, now I can sleep freely. So
seriously.
he
I
was
agree,
really
I agree with
surprised
you. At
at home.
times, I
We
think,
woke up at 5:30, and
yeah.
yeah, what
Yeah,
happened to
here,
you?
I feel the same, that, at least nowhere else I don't want to even go out. I just
Yeah,
want to, maybe in Calcutta itself, I'll go and check into a good hotel, maybe for 2 days, so that in the morning I'll get like ready tea, and I don't have to
all
think
right,
about something. I'll just keep watching TV or do whatever I want.
right.
That is the
Yeah,
time we want the time to stop.
yeah.
Early morning, right?
Wow, we all need break.
Yes, yes. We all want that time to stop, कि अभी बस ये time रुक जाए, ये लम्हा
कैसे
थम
भी.
जाए. Normally when we think about time, do you have any
Yeah.
such romantic moments then when you feel that yes, time should the time should stop? So, normally with like a lavo lamha, some thum jai, and the moment we want to always freeze. This is, we are like a kind of Bollywood people, very romantic people. So, do you have any such romantic moments in your life when you actually wanted
Yeah,
the
there
time
are
to?
4, 5 times. Yeah. First was when we were engaged and we met after 3 or 4 months. At
Okay,
that time, so that time we meet without telling the family.
okay,
Few of my friend and few of his friend was
okay.
knew about that. So yeah, that time we wanted, okay, we have some more time together and all. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it and it was 5 o'clock at morning.
Okay.
So yeah, it
Five
was
o'clock
hard
in
for
the
me to
morning.
woke up at 4 o'clock and go out. Even
Five
then,
o'clock.
I changed
Yes,
out.
and you're meeting your fiancés, you have to get ready also, no?
Yeah,
Early morning you wake up and then you
and
get ready.
my mom
That
was surprised. You wake up at 4 o'clock. How?
okay. So you got up
I
and you
didn't
got
told her.
ready. You got ready and went up. What did she like? You had to tell her
I
something or
told,
where you were going.
it was not like I didn't put on so much makeup, and I just
Uh-huh.
told her that my neighbor, I
Mm-hmm.
call her Bhabhi, so I want to go with Bhabhi for morning
Okay.
walk and all. So
Uh-huh.
okay, that's okay.
And
So
Bhabhi
I
knew about this. Bhabhi knew
Bhabhi
about
knew,
this.
yeah,
That's why.
she
Otherwise,
set
your
up
mother would have
everything.
asked. Your mother would have asked her, Sonia, come.
Yeah,
Okay, so you were 5 o'clock you met actually. And where did you
yeah,
meet? Which place?
yeah. Open sky on the road. We walk for 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh
My
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 God,
Bhabhi
uh-huh.
joined sorry, she said that Sonia will join my Zumba classes. So
Mm-hmm.
send her, and she went for Zumba, and we both walked for 10 or 15 minutes, and yeah, that's it. We talk about
Wow.
each other. That moment, I wanted to feel that moment again and again. Yeah,
You
that was
wanted that
precious
moment
time.
to you wanted
Yeah,
that time to stop. कि अभी काश
experience. Yeah,
समय
I
कम
wanted to stop that
कम
time.
It sounds incredibly romantic. Seriously. And when you were telling me, I have this thing that whenever somebody tells me, it is like kind of I can visualize it. I could actually visualize it. That both
Yeah,
of you walking on the road, and that is I can just imagine, but yes, you felt it. So thank you for sharing such a
yeah,
beautiful memory, such a beautiful moment with me. And thank you for sharing such an intimate moment. It's kind of something very private,
yeah.
but still you shared it with
Now
me.
my mother also know about this because
Oh, now
one of my relatives saw me there. So when I came home, she asked me, "Where are you?"
okay, so your relatives saw
She
you.
called my father. So
Uh-huh.
what she's doing outside at 5:30 or 6? He saw me.
Okay,
What is she doing with someone? I saw him
okay.
with someone. So I was like, oh God, what should I do now? When I come back home, I said, "I'm sorry, Mama. I will tell you after if I will go outside and
Mhm.
all." Now it's funny moment, so it's okay.
No,
Yeah,
I see your parents, obviously, they know that's a different thing. But I'm a
yeah.
stranger too. And still you shared this thing. That is why I'm really, I appreciate it. I'm
Okay.
grateful that
Thank
you
you.
shared. It's such a beautiful moment. And normally, these are very private things. We don't talk about this
Yeah,
to like everybody. You're meeting me for the first time. It's not that you're a repeat
I
learner
don't know
also.
why
I'm not.
I didn't share it with anyone. Like I think few of my friends know, but I don't know what connection I you with you. I told you.
But it's such a lovely moment. But the way, like you said, we have your relative. I don't know what these relatives have. कहीं ना कहीं यार कुछ भी करो ना देख ही लेते.
Yeah.
उनको उनको हर कुछ देखना होता है.
Yeah, they have
It's like that.
always eyes
And they
on
immediately,
us. Yeah,
what is the need to call your father?
yeah. Why
मतलब ये बंद नहीं कर
he
सकते.
met me
Why
only
is the need?
one time? How did he know me? How did he remember my face? I don't remember his face. I don't remember his name also. But
And
he
he
knows
actually
it's
calls up
me.
your father. What is she doing? What is she doing?
Yeah, why is she? What is this? I just hate these relatives,
Agree. Because I had a love marriage, and my
Oh,
cousins actually
great.
used to stalk me.
Yeah.
They used to stalk me. Okay, yeah, we saw. अगर picture hide करके रखो तब भी they would have like they would just find out. Oh, so what were you doing? You were boating. You were doing this. What is this? What is that? And because of them only everything came into open.
Oh, yeah.
I had planned that thoda shanti se, we will go about it. But because of my
Yeah.
cousins only, they told their mother and this and that, it was like everything came out.
If one will know, everyone will know.
And we had just gone for boating, nothing else.
Yeah. There are so many songs about this.